Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Vacasa step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Vacasa website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Vacasa account. Navigate to the budgeting tool located on your dashboard. Click on the Create New Budget button. Select the property you wish to budget for. Choose the time frame for your budget. Input your estimated income from bookings. Enter your fixed expenses, such as property management fees. Add variable expenses, including cleaning and maintenance costs. Review the suggested expenses Vacasa provides. Adjust any figures based on your specific needs. Check the summary of your estimated income and expenses. Ensure your budget aligns with your financial goals. Save your budget for future reference. Regularly review and adjust your budget as necessary. Utilize the budgeting tool to stay on track with your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.